It's been a week since this machine was repaired. It's been a week. I continued to repair it with medicine. The print quality wasn't very good at first. But after returning this much, there's no progress. Look, the scratch here was very bad. No more progress here. So let's take out the head. I concluded by taking it out. So take it out, it can be repaired as long as it is with the original medicine. But what is the cause of this machine's failure? You can keep adding the ink you used to use. I accidentally inject another company's ink yellow. It's a symptom that comes out. The basic thing that makes a lot of mistakes when opening a machine is that we put a line. It's just like this without a magnet, but we're in the middle of repairing the machine. Usually people attach a lot of magnets. What is it then? This is the cover. It's a detection sensor. If there's a magnet here, this machine has the cover closed. In this state that you are thinking, if you pull this out, it's okay if you say that these people make this mistake a lot and cause an error in the machine once or twice. The machine breaks down if you keep repeating it. We make a lot of mistakes in this, so I don't stick this, and I've temporarily posted it to fix it now. We just picked it all up and used this magnet as it is, and now it's repaired. Then, it's the same as now. You can't pull it out by mistake, right? Remove and just turn off the power. First open the cover and remove the duplex. Sir, I have to pull this up. But this is the lock. Then I fall this way. There is one lock on it. Shred only here. This how to make this is how to make it. If I look through the YouTube channel, I'm out. It's pushed in and out. This magnet is the cover. Then it comes out like this. That's why the waste ink on the bar. This is CS2 because the water drums are piled up. Head cleaning first. It is almost repaired with chemicals without opening the machine. Almost done with the drug CS2 alone. A machine that can't do that comes out once this time. Now I've shown you the broadcast. I think I'll be back. I need to take out the head and soak it. It has the same white line. You can take it out like this, except for it. Soak it right away and the nozzle hits the floor, right? Then the nozzle properly CS2 to the chemical. I'm not affected, so I need a space to do things. Make sure that the beginning of the head and the end of the head do not touch the bottom of the nozzle so that it is snug on both sides. This is the state of dipping the head right now. I'll edit and upload the video again. Please check the repaired part there at that time. That's all for today's broadcast.
감사합니다.